That's right, everybody. You heard that right. If she pulls a gold card today, you guys get to decide what happens with an ETB. Are we going to throw it on Lawnmower, or are we going to give it away? But first, I got some mail from the Safari Zone. Yeah. And we're going to open it.
And I want to show you something. Flip flop.
From Build-A-Bear.
Yes. And it's awesome. I can have him for a long time.
So we're opening it up.
Inside.
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
Bubble baby.
Yes,
Bubble
that's
baby.
right. We have a bubble baby.
And I love him.
Can you guys guess what I bought from Safari Zone? We have one. We got the red ETB. Single strike, rapid strike. I don't know. And then we have a booster box of Battle Styles. It looks very good. If you don't know who Safari Zone is, Angelique Colburn that owns it. And the pre-release box, $171. The booster box was like $120 a week ago. The ETBs were $50 a week ago. These were $30. Well, at this point in time of you guys watching it, $30 2 weeks ago. We saved that around $40 or more. And Sophia got some mail from Shrex box.
Yes, and I cannot open it.
So there's a note inside that says, "Thank you so much, Sophia, for all your support on Shrex box. Hope you enjoy your cards, Shiny and Shrex. Catch you on the next one." Even says to Sophia. Oh, what is this? Ooh, that's a good use of cardboard right there. Okay, let's cut it very gently.
Yes, we're gonna get.
Okay, that's enough to make it pop. And let's see what's inside. We have
He make a heart.
Yeah, Shiny Roserade sent you this.
And maybe he left me.
They sent you some cute Pokemons.
Eevee, my favorite Pokemon.
Oh, that one's from Furious Fist. Daddy doesn't even have this card. So, we're gonna...
That's for me. That's for me.
Yes.
And
Yes.
I do have
So we're gonna have to put these in sleeves. My Little Pony sleeves for my little baby.
My Little Pony.
Okay, we got another pack for Sophia. We got your own little Shrex box card.
Yeah, I like it.
And we got... Let's see what's in this one. We got a Lavani. We got... Ooh, to Sophia. To Sophia from Shiny Roserade. A Torchic. A Roselia. And a Nidoqueen. Look at that.
That might be green sound.
Okay, let's put these in sleeves. It's time for you to open these packs.
Yours.
These are all yours. We have a code card, and look at the print lines on this guy. There's like two.
Stretch.
Man.
Box.
Code card.
Thank you.
Okay. And now, Sophia, I'm gonna let you take over. I'm gonna open the packs.
Over, Sophia.
Your goal is to pull a gold card, not a rainbow, a gold card. And that will mean...
I want the rainbow one.
You know what? I'm gonna shuffle these, Sophia.
Right.
So you don't know where our hits are gonna be. This is gonna be a complete surprise to everybody. We're not even... Whatever happens, happens. We're gonna... Never done anything like this. Now, Sophia, you're gonna start it off with a Girder. A Cacturn. Alright, how about you pull the card off the top? Level Ball. Spellsprout. Mindfu. Glameow. Oh, a Yamper. Glameow. Corphish.
Let's see if
Water Energy. Phoebe. Carnivine Rapid Strike. Fearow. Electabuzz. Where's all the hits, Sophia? Esper. Timber. Slowpoke. Corphish. Oh, something behind it. Oh, Tapu Koko VMAX. Let's leave it. Let's leave it.
see how is the pony see? And I want to see Daddy.
Tapu Koko.
I want to see a pony. I want to see a pony.
We have the ponies. Right here.
Pony.
Okay.
And
Now,
I want to
the card
see
behind this could be gold.
Pony.
Take this card off.
In here.
Ah, it's a Drampa. Oh, an Electivire. There might not be any
Water
gold.
gun.
We got Cacturn, Energy, a Pachirisu, Mindfu, a Ball Toy, Mr. Mime.
But
That's a weird one. We got a Salazzle, oh, and Energy, and a Tepig. Well, guys, I want to say thank you for watching.
yeah,
Grab your Piplup.
I cannot play pro. And a surprise play pro. One.
She's had that for years.
Yes, for winning.
Probably 3 years.
I know. I like to lose.
Lots of years.
Money.
Well, I'm going to tell you guys thanks for watching. We didn't pull gold this week, but we are about to record the video for
Yes.
next week.
Yes.
Right now as well.
Yes.
So stay tuned for that. Alright everybody, we'll see you in the next one.